Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make Rock Blaster Part 2. But first, before I show you how to do that, I have something else to show you. Over here you can see that only 1.5% of the people who watch me are subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It'll help me a lot. So anyways, on to the tutorial. As you might have noticed, when you hit a rock, it just disappears. So we're going to be adding lives now. So now just make a new sprite called lives. And then you can make the heart however you want to make it look like. Just going to rush a bit here. So over here is my very badly drawn heart. So we're going to name this costume Free. Now just copy paste your hearts. Once you have 2 hearts, then just copy paste the 2 and then make it free. Now repeat that for the others. 2, just delete one of the hearts and then center the 2 in the middle, and then for 1 just again delete 1 heart and then put the remaining heart in the middle. Now we're also going to have a 0, just delete that heart. Now if you go over to the rocks sprite, just going to create a new variable called lives. Over here it says when green flag clicked, set score to 0. You also want to include set lives to 3. So now go over to the live sprite and go to the events tab, grab a when green flag clicked, go to get a forever loop, and then get an if else statement, and then get another, and then get a third one, and then put an if then statement in the else of the third one. So now go to operations and we're going to get an equal statement. Go to variables now. So we're going to do it forever if lives is equivalent to free, then go to looks and you're going to switch the costume to free. Now we're basically going to repeat that here, but instead of free, this time we're going to do 2, and same for the costume. Now for 1, we just switch it to 1, and then 0, like that. Now I'm just gonna put the hearts over here and maybe make it a little smaller. It's quite big, yeah, like that maybe. Now if you try, you'll see that it doesn't exactly work because you need to go over to the rocks and add another if then statement over here like that, and make it so if it is touching the player, then go to variables, change lives by -1. Now if you try it, you should be able to lose hearts. But when right now you're at 1, you get hit. You have 1 more life. Now -1. Now we're going to add an end screen. We're just going to, we're just going to make a new sprite. I'm going to call it game over. I'm just going to write game over. Can make your game over screen what you want it to be. Just going to like that. Now I'm gonna make it lives, so when it is 0, then I'm going to actually add another if then statement for the 0 like that, and if the else, then I'm gonna make it so if lives equals -1, then we want to go to events and broadcast game over. Now go to the game over sprite. When green flag clicked, then go to looks. You want to hide, and then go to events again. When you receive game over, then you want to show, and then go to control, wait 1 second, and then stop all. If you try it now, doesn't always work the first time, but now you lose 1 life, you lose another life, and then you're on your last life, and then game over and it ends. Stops all. Now I'm just going to add a high score variable. I'm gonna make a variable. I'm gonna make a cloud variable and name it high score. So you can go to any sprite you want in a forever loop. Make it so if, go to operations, if something is bigger than something, we're going to change the first empty space to score. If score is bigger, if score is bigger than high score, then you want to set high score to score. Now, currently, when a score is bigger than high score, then it will automatically set the high score to score. If I just do it like that, score is 0, and if the score goes up to 50, 50 is not above 150, so high score stays the same. Now we don't need the lives variable to show, so we can leave it like that. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. If you liked it, remember to please like, subscribe, and share. Bye!